I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own DIY hand soap. Now, doTERRA has an excellent hand soap. I love it, a foaming hand soap. But with the pandemic this last year, our supply chain was disrupted and we couldn't get the pumps needed in time. And so what happens when you run out of doTERRA's amazing hand soap? You can make your own. And so I'm going to show you how easy it is with just a couple of ingredients. It saves money and it is also non-toxic. So you'll want to stick around for this awesome recipe. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. We are thrilled that you're joining us today. All right, so let me tell you the few ingredients that you're gonna need to make your own DIY hand soap. The first one is pure Castile soap. I love the mild one because it is non-harsh. And so this is excellent to use. Obviously this is 32 ounces, gonna make tons of soap. It also has lots of other uses as well. So I love having this on hand. It is easy to use. So we're gonna use the mild Castile soap. The next ingredient that we're gonna use is a little bit of vegetable glycerin. This helps it be super smooth and easy. If you don't have this ingredient, you can use it without it, but it is good to use if you do have it. The other thing that is good to use in here is pure aloe. We're just gonna use, again, a very small amount, but that is part of the ingredient. Again, keeps your hands super smooth and you're gonna love that. And then last but not least is vitamin E. This is excellent to use in your recipe as well. And so again, the key ingredient is the mild Castile soap, and of course the superstar is On Guard essential oil. We'll talk a little bit more about that in just a moment. So those are the top things that you need in your soap recipe to make your own DIY. If you are ready to get started with doTERRA, just go to RoxySaran.com. We would love to welcome you there, right there to the oily family. Or if you just want to buy On Guard essential oil or maybe the hand soap, you can do that right at RoxySaran.com. Okay, so let me show you the easy recipe that I like to use. You can totally eyeball this and estimate it. You don't have to use any measuring spoons or measuring cups. It's really super easy. So this is my normal On Guard foaming container. I'm out, and so what do? We can make our own in a pinch. So about 1/4 of the container with the Castile soap. Again, mild Castile soap, just kind of eyeball that. About 1/4 of the container. All right, here we go. There you go, there you go. Okay. Then the next thing is we're gonna need just a squirt of the vegetable glycerin, just a little tiny squirt of the pure aloe vera. This is a little bit chunky, so you might need to shake it up a little bit. And then really just 1/4 of a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. That's upside down. Just a tiny amount of the vitamin E oil. And then the superstar is On Guard. On Guard essential oil. We're gonna do 20 to 30 drops. What I love about this is On Guard is amazing. It's an amazing essential oil, but you can really make your own scents. So if you want to do lemon or lime, or maybe in the holidays you want to change it up and do like Douglas fir or Holiday Joy or any of those fun things, you can do that. Now the rest of it is going to be water. So it's really easy. That is the simple recipe. Be sure to go to RoxySaran.com if you're ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils. We would love to help welcome you to the oily family right there. Or if you just want to try 1 or 2 things, you can do that right at RoxySaran.com. So the reason that I love using On Guard essential oil is that it's proven. Not only doTERRA products for sure, I only use doTERRA because their potency and their purity, their sourcing methods, the integrity of the company and the owners, it's the only company that I would trust on my family, and of course using our hand soap. So doTERRA essential oils are absolutely the most pure on the planet. I love it, I trust it. And so we do 30 drops of On Guard. If you want to make it stronger, you can even add a tea tree or lemon to it. In the winter time, you can add a Siberian fir or a Douglas fir to it. And so that gives you some flexibility if you like changing things up. So that's a fun thing to do. you can definitely do that. If you're ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils, we would love to welcome you to the Oily family. Go to roxysaran.com, or if you just want to purchase On Guard essential oil, that's totally fine. Go to roxysaran.com. We would love to help you right there. In our next video, we are going to be talking about the doTERRA Mood Matrix. We'll talk about sleep, stress, and emotions, and how you can help manage those areas with essential oils. Be sure to hit subscribe and bell notification, and also the like. We hope to see you in a future video. Have a great day.